rather 11 turnovers, saying that they were too tentative, and that's what's causing all those mistakes. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much to Zelina and to Denise reporting from the AUF gym powered by Smart 5G. And kakasabi lang, kailangan tutukan yung Pugoy. Anong ginawa ng Pugoy, Dominic Uy?
Leaked out, stepped out, 3-point shot para kay RR Pugoy. And you know, you look at what they reported, spot on. You know, you look at the shooting of Barangay Ginebra, taking too many 3-point shots, not moving that ball enough, turning the ball over, and then we mentioned, dapat nga mas madali yung depensa. Napigilan ito si RR Pugoy kasi wala itong si Ray Parks. But you know, sometimes when the best player or the most talented player is not there for the opposing team, sometimes defensively, mentally, you're not going as hard.
Masakit din sa ulo, depensahan yung mga teams na napakalalim ng mga lineups nila. Kasi di mo alam kung saan magagaling point of attack. With the scoreless Barangay Ginebra for 3 minutes, which has been part of this 15-point lead for the Tropang Giga. Relocation by Pringle.
Nice. Pringle.
Shot from Stanley Pringle. They've got to keep their eyes on RR Pugoy. Samboy De Leon. Ciso. Erap, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Boy sizing up. Etong si Caperal. Oh, nice find inside. Patience from Boy Erap. And you talked about this, Dom, no? Yung attacking from the inside, parang mas komportable siya kaysa sa post-up talaga.
And you know, you look at it, because of that good spacing, them moving without that basketball, they are now going to the open spots. Mas madali makaputos para sa TNT.
That is turnover number 16 for Barangay Ginebra. That's a gorgeous shot there from Stanley Pringle. But then kaagad sinagot of that nice cut inside by Samboy De Leon. Ano ba nangyari dito sa defense?
Nakakatawa.
Sinubukan ni JD, no?
Yung mga man, hindi nakita yung bola. Napa-atras siya agad eh. A 15-point lead para dito sa TNT, ah. And you look at the TNT ever since the start of the second quarter. Once they shifted into second gear, now shifting into third. You look at Ginebra, not able to match the intensity na binibigay nitong TNT. Turnovers, 16 turnovers, pang isang buong game na yan ng Barangay Ginebra.
You know, the question is, it seems like at least in this third quarter, TNT seems to be one step ahead dun sa gustong atake sa opensiba ng Barangay Ginebra. So turnover after turnover have happened here in this third period. You know, 5 turnovers already. All in the third quarter. We've still got almost half a quarter to play.
And free throws for Barangay Ginebra, 4 of 9. Also uncharacteristic yan for Barangay. They average close to 70% from the free throw area.
Mariano gets the second one to drop. 56-42 in favor of TNT. In comes Castro for the Tropang Giga together with Rosario. And Ciso in the backcourt of Curling. Head up to pick and pop for Troy. Troy has put his head down and has tried to attack the glass. And it's usually been Mariano who has committed the foul on the driving Rosario. Ciso nagtitipon para sa TNT. 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Simon letting it go. Back tap and Pugoy can't save it. That's a stop for Barangay Ginebra.
Probably the first 4 shot that time for TNT. Simon and Ciso also feeling it.
That's 9 points, all on threes in the first half. Pringle, Mariano, Aljon, strong drive against Boy, and nakaluk. Si Erap dun sa drive, that's 3 unanswered points for Ginebra. Castro can't get that one to drop. Here comes Thompson. Matakbong Barangay with Pringle. Pringle with Enciso to beat. Ready jumper there from Stanley Pringle. And don't look now, Dom. of Barangay Ginebra to get back into a game really fast.
When you have Stanley Pringle, when you have his speed, when you have his aggressiveness, and his skill level, it's very easy to overhaul a lead.
The lead is down to 10 as TNT sues for time inside the bubble, 56 to 46.
Even if the world has stopped,
Nag-lockdown ako. I have to impose something on you.
we will never let you to just sit and look up.
What a game and what a finish!
Even if you're forbidden to go out,
Anim na kalsada naman ang binabantayan para hindi makalabas ang
Isasara muli ang ilang establishmento kagaya ng mga gym at mga bar.
we will never stop you to scream and shout.
Here comes Ginebra again!
As we embrace the changes in the new normal,
Alam ko, nasabik na kayo. Tutiis na.
we will never change in delivering exceptional shows in sports, entertainment, news, and more.
Kasan, wala ka lang feelings.
Gagawin mo akong security guard?
We're not just sharing stories, we're sharing business tips, step-by-step guide.
The best dishes are always prepared with fun and laughter. Kasabay ko ng isang punerarya, patay na raw siya ngayon dahil sa COVID-19.
Malandi! Kami!
This is where we get to experience new things in the sporting world.
The whole world might change,
Bawal nga po tayong lumabas eh.
Paulit-ulit ka eh.
but the thrill and excitement will always be the same.
Yes!
Tapos sa harapan ng bahay namin. Soccer ka no?
Samantala, tumangging magbigay ng pahayag.
Think big and go with us.
We're about to dive into sport that requires a lot of mental focus.
Gusto ko pa rin malaki.
Bastos ka sa umiyak ng isa tapos tawa ka para kang demonyo.
Kakaluko siya.
Bastos jam!
We get something exciting.
Wow.
Kailangan ko minsan sa
Visit the TV5 Facebook page for more info. Sana all may 50,000 pesos. No.
Sana.
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 G-Spill, okay na.
Pwede na hati na tayo.
Okay na. Apat mga hati. Pagkari natin. 2.5 million. No attack on offense for TNT. That led to this fast break by Pringle. And Castro was called for a foul. Castro was saying that he got all ball, but Pringle will go to the free throw line.
Sampu lang yan, kaya-kaya yan.
Castro is still contesting.
Could have a case there. Could have a case there.
At sa bilis ni Pringle kasi. At sa bilis na pagtapik ni Castro. Those things are just impossible to see in real time.
Saka dun sa angulo eh.
You literally need slow motion to see, to make a case.
Because of that angle, also difficult. And you got the referees are trying to keep in step with these two guys.
That's true.
The blur and stand the man.
Two of the fastest guards in PBA history. Nagtatakbuhan. A nice run here by Barangay Ginebra to get back into this game. 56 to 48. The lead has been cut down. Here Castro the attack. Oh, the blow by and Jason Castro responding in style with that drive to lane.
Well, we talked about it. Jason Castro didn't score in the first quarter. In that second quarter, he had 4 points. Now putting his head down, being even more aggressive.
Less than 5 minutes remaining. No. Atake niya, hindi yung and Caperal. Winasiwas ang tropang Giga at it's going to be Caperal call for the loose ball foul. Take a look at this drive and the sidestepping finish by Castro. Lakas move na ito. Atin sa inyo ng Cobra Plus Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon. Cobra number 1 energy drink. Castro's got
6 points in the ball game
6 points on
and 4 assists.
by 3 of 6 from the field. And another one from RR Pagoy. And what a response by TNT. 5 unanswered points as Pagoy now with 29.
That's 5 in the first quarter, 11 in the second, and 13 so far in the third.
So, ano mangyari sa fourth?
Yun ang tanong. Maybe going for 45.
Could be. We are now on a career high watch for Pugoy. Pugoy, di mayangat kontra kay Mariano. It's now Montalvo trying to track Pringle. Stan extending in the paint, and that is going to be a free throw. Another 2 free throws for Barangay Ginebra, as Montalvo will be whistled for the foul. 22 points, 4 rebounds, and 6 assists for Stanley Pringle, who is single-handedly trying to keep Barangay Ginebra in this game here in the third.
Well, he did it in the first quarter. He had 12 points, 12 of the 21 itong Barangay Ginebra. He's trying to do that again here in the second. But you know what? Who we haven't really seen much of? Chapit Aguilar and L.A. Tenorio in terms of scoring.
2 combined have 5 points. Tenorio has been scoreless. While Aguilar is 2 of 5 from the field, 5 points and 5 rebounds. Back to your point, the second leading scorer for Ginebra after Pringle is Mariano with 7 points. Castro. And Dillinger is guilty of that foul, sending the Blur to the free throw line. But if you're D&D, alam mong this is not going to be the norm. This is not what's gonna happen in
Kaliwali.
the fourth.
Kahit TNT
We've
yan.
seen the ability of Ginebra to come back from leads, double-digit leads.
Hensley yan,
leads
Hensley.
Sometimes as high as 20.
Yes,
Kaya
never
tayo
say
nilang
die.
bumalik eh. They just need a spark.
They need that spark and also defensively. Yun ang nagiging problema ngayon ng Barangay Ginebra. Yung kanilang depensa. Remember, we ended the first half, TNT shooting 40%. Now they're shooting 46 in total.
May 4 quarter, habol yan. Manood ka,
Offense has come alive in the
Jeffrey,
third.
manood ka. 4 quarter, habol yan to,
Pringle
Ginebra.
has been a one-man show in this third period. Can Mariano help? Shot inside by Alto, 9 points for USD Growling Tiger.
You've been in these types of situations. And you're a team that can grind it out. So expect Barangay Ginebra to slowly but surely
Unti-unti na
close
yan.
it out defensively, make it more difficult for TNT. Just slowly chop down this lead.
Because again, it's not like this is a double lead. We're talking about dito sa TNT as carries called for that offensive rebound. 8 puntos lang hinahabol nila eh. Diba?
Unti-unti yan. Sa 3 points yan.
So they're just hanging around, looking to make
Counted.
in the third, even the fourth, as Aljon Mariano blowing by Gary on the baseline.
Lapit na.
Tapos binigyan pa siya ng Edmond Bay.
6 na lang.
Parang ito yung game na yung bilis ng both teams. Nakita mo, both have slowed down a little bit. Maaaring nakarap pa. We talked about them coming up in
6 lang.
semi-final series, both of them going into Game 5, and how they played on Sunday. I mean, really, they put pedal to the
NSD.
metal. Makikita natin yan. Sometimes when you have 2 day break, dyan mararamdaman ng konting ng katawan.
Imagine this, we've been playing since October. We've had a span of 83 games in 48 days. That's the eliminations to the semis. you have to muster up the strength, physically, mentally, emotionally, to still win a championship. Ibang klase, hinaharap nitong dalawang kapanan. Ciso sa kaliwa. Yes! Shot by Ciso to stop that mini run of Barangay Ginebra. Lead is down. Lead is back up big. Ciso sa kaliwa. Ang Plumeres back dito kay Roger Pugoy sa ofensa. Mariano kontra Mount Washington. Oh, nowhere to go. Dillinger, Pugoy in a foot race. Oh, look at the defense of Dillinger. Tapos natawagan pa ng foul yung Roger Pugoy.
Well, gusto makabawi ni JD doon. He wanted to be able to make sure that TNT would not be able to get a fast break.
Quick hands there by Dillinger, but on the other end, sweet stroke from Simon Enciso. His fourth three-pointer of the game. 12 points on 4 of 8 from beyond the arc.
Go, Ginebra.
So far, it's only actually Pogoy and Enciso at double figures. Castro's got 8, Rosario's got 9 for the Tropang Giga. First one is good for
Tama,
JD.
barangay pa rin yan.
He's down to 7 with less
Uy,
than 2 minutes
Henry,
remaining here.
barangay pa rin yan mananalo.
Again, you're watching Game 2 of the finals. Dito po sa AUF Gym powered by Smart 5G.
And you
Anim na lang yan, ha?
active consultant Mark Dickel saying play through the refs. You know, very important. I mean, obviously both teams will have their complaints against the referees. It's very important to be able to play through that. You may feel that you're getting the raw end of the stick this game or that game.
Yun lang.
But as a professional basketball player, kinakailangan malampasan mo yun.
Ayan, that helps. Para malampasan mo.
Jeff Chan.
Yung hinanakit lalo na kasi umahabol dito ang Barangay Ginebra. And Pogoy has been incredible. 32 points
Jeff
already
Chan,
so
oh,
far.
Jeff Chan.
Ringo.
Narinig ako.
Fighting Chan sa kaliwa.
Narinig ako ni Jeff Chan.
Of the house as a Negro sniper.
The second unit.
Narinig ako ang Jeff Chan.
With Jeff Chan, JD,
Go, go, Ginebra.
Ginebra, within striking distance.
These are crucial points coming off the bench as you notice also no Aguilar and Tenorio dito sa ating third quarter. Rosario, that's a brick. Here's Mariano on the run. Barangay Ginebra can get this
Yan, Jeff Chan ulit.
to a one-possession game. Cameral,
Dillinger. Nice, Dillinger.
And you like how Ginebra able to come back while, like you mentioned,
Dalawa na lang po.
Rapid resting on the bench.
Dalawa na lang.
Boy, after the onslaught of Pogoy, look at the response of Barangay Ginebra, only down by 2. Castro pull up. No.
Wala na po. Lalamang pa yan. 3 points pa yan, oh. Naku, nawala pa signal ko. Sorry, nawala.
Barangay Ginebra.
Nice!
Remember, the last time there was a timeout, 46-56.
Go, Ginebra.
Labang yung TNT doon.
Jeff Chan pala, oh. Jeff.
38 mark.
Hindi na hinintay ng Barangay ang fourth quarter. Sabi nila,
Sabi ko sa'yo, bago mag fourth quarter, eh.
Jared
Didikit
Dillinger
yan.
elevating for that three-pointer. And then Mariano on the run,
Mariano
able
pala
to
na kasi.
beat the Blur to the basket. We are tied at 68 all with 21
Go, Ginebra.
seconds remaining in this third quarter.
Ay, narinig ba ako?
And a good one brewing here in the third period.
Pasensya na, ah. Tuwan-tuwa lang ako, eh.
You are an icon in
Naririnig ka ulit, Lods.
Usapang din.
Pasensya na.
Actually, that's true. You're pushed
Maingay tayo, pasensya na.
Self-reflection, no? Naiyak
Go, Ginebra.
Kuya, it is okay.
Naiyak na ako.
Makakasama din ilan sa mga kabila kasi. Ano ang branding ninyo sa TikTok?
Walang ganun, Mar. Sa akin po
Maingay talaga manood, eh.
Kinagat na ng marami.
Real life game.
Stories 1,
Pasensya na kayo, maingay ako manood.
3. I wanted to be a beauty queen and that
I never dreamed of being a beauty queen talaga.
you have more passion for Philippine culture.
I'm the blinded.
Nangangamoy 2-0 na yan.
Ano ba ka, Maradita?
Go, go, go. TNT. Go, go, Ginebra.
area po talaga ako nakatira.
God answers prayers.
Yung bank account ko right now is pabankrupt na. I only had
Oo, kailangan mag-cheer, eh, para manalo tayo.
Thank you for entrusting this information to me.
Usapang real life. No!
Kailangan matu-0 natin yan. Ang TNT. Pasensya na kayo, maingay ang manood. Ganito talaga ang manood. Pag Ginebra.
You have JD, these guys contributing.
Ginebra lang malakas.
Coach trusting his bench, helping them out, and now putting them back in this ball game. And in the fourth quarter, you'll have
Nakakapit niya ako sa upuan ko, eh. Baka tangingin ako, eh.
It's been Chan. It's been this unlikely 5.
Lalamang pa yan, Lods, bago mag fourth quarter. Lalamang pa yan, tingnan nyo.
And it's been presided over by this lineup of
Bago
Chan,
magsabi, natutupad, eh.
Mariano, Dillinger, Caperal and then Stanley Pringle. Kung saan nakita ni Coach Tim Con tong lineup nito, Paris
1-1 lang yan. 2-0 na yan.
Whatever it is, credit to that 5 because
Pangit mag 1-1, delikado fight dyan. 2-0 yan, Cubs.
For Ginebra.
Well, he's prepping for the fourth quarter, wanting it to limber up.
6 seconds for TNT. RR, may espacio. Oh,
Follow
error.
up. Nice.
Big finish there by Foy on that second hand shot.
Wala nga naman.
The TNT will escape.
Shoutout dito, exit, Riyadh Lods. Exit, exit.
Over by Roger Pugoy, who has found the
Zur Khaled, setep.
And tulad ka na sinabi mo, Dom,
Tama nga token text, dalawa.
increasing his point total per period.
Well, RR Pugoy now with 31 points.
Yes, 2-0 on the way na.
He's aggressive. He is saying, you know what, Ray, it's okay.
Shoutout po sa mga nanonood lahat. 108.
Pugoy has it.
Shoutout sa inyo, kahit token text kayo, shoutout sa inyo mga token text. Pero Ginebra lang malakas. Shoutout po sa mga token text, katropa.
Wala kaming police power eh.
Theoretically, wouldn't that be the case then?
Has there been greater
Pero Ginebra lang po malakas.
It's our duty to be a responsible journalist. It has never lost its importance. We have to present the news in a balanced way.
Critical of policies,
Yes.
but not of the president himself.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Being senior journalists, it will give us the proper perspective to present the news, to interpret the news. We're talking about the possibility of term sharing as minorities not allowed.
We'll look at how the outcome of the CBCB plenary assembly can put clarity.
I'm very glad that I'm working with these two gentlemen, and I'm happy to be here.
Shoutout po sa mga token text dyan. Pero Ginebra lang po malakas. Open sa bilog ang bola. Ginebra ang bida. Ginebra ang bida. Tama, bilog ang bola, bro. Oh, bago, fourth quarter pa naman eh. 3-0 na yan, Lods. Tapos bigay ng, ayan, bigay ng isa para di na makawawa, Lods. Ay, matagal pa yan eh. Start pala ng fourth quarter.
Business is about to pick up. The fourth quarter, hatid sa inyo ng Cobra Plus Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon. Cobra, the #1 energy drink. Ginebra came all the way down from a 15-point lead to tie the game. And then after that shot by Eram at the end of the third, tinabla agad ni Aljon Mariano to start this fourth period.
Kaya nga eh.
Got Chapaneta together with Dominic Uy.
Bigyan nyo na isa 4-1 para maganda laban.
The sidelines of the AUFC Smart 5G.
May na internet ito, Lods. Sesya na ha, mga Cubs. May na eh. Wala internet eh.
46 at PMP. Yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, diba yung rebounding? This is the first quarter.
Sesya na, may na internet ko ah.
Third quarter na nanalo o lamang ang Barangay Ginebra in terms of rebounding. Kaya naman nakabalik sila sa laro. Also the assist. 5 assists for Barangay Ginebra and only 3 para din sa TNT.
Live sa TV lang to.
With credit to Ginebra,
Live on Jeddah.
to withstand those turnovers after turnovers in the third quarter.
Tabla po, mga
As
kapatid.
Ginebra actually committed 6 turnovers. Pero masakot doon. TNT not
Pandemic na. Ganyan pa rin kayo. Magbago na kayo.
Pugoy had 50.
Oh, magbabago na. Ginebra naman lakas ngayon eh.
We are witnessing.
Kasi iba may COVID eh. Itong token text, COVID yan. Cancer yan token text.
Of course, we've got Parks, the candidate for Boy, spectacular strip, and of course, Pringle. Yun ang pinag-usapan natin ng third quarter. Pringle and Mariano that carried Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, they've been carrying Barangay Start.
Hindi ko nakikita si LA Parks eh.
At the beginning of the conference.
Hindi yan, naglalaro yata.
Sila ang nagpapakita, sila yung nagdadala.
May start ko lang kasi, may trabaho ko. Pakararating ko lang.
Prince Caperal, the you like how, because of their desire to win an All-Filipino Championship, continuing, and they could have really said, you know what, let's play game number 3.
Kakalive ko lang kasi ngayon. Kararating ko lang kasi.
Oh, definitely.
Hindi ko pa nakikita.
Also provided a lift. 8 points and 8 rebounds for JP Era. And he was also aggressive attacking on the free throw line. Leading scorers for TNT, of course, is Pogoy already with 33 points, followed by Enciso's 12. No one else in double figures for TNT as Nelly Tenorio enters the fray for Coach Tim Cone.
Tatlo na lamang ang tawad next. So,
Now with the
katropa.
fresh Nelly Tenorio, expect the offense of Barangay
Mga katropa
Ginebra
dyan. Naman kayo, mga katropa.
expect a lot more passes, a lot more efficiency. Just one attempt so far.
If there's one guy in the who has a switch, you can change it up really from a facilitator to a
O,
scorer.
mga katropa, o. Naman kayo, apat.
He's been veteran.
May mga kabarangay ko naman, alamang.
Alam niya kung ano yung kinakailangan for that.
Exactly. Tsaka matagal na sila magkasama ni Coach Tim Cone. So, kilala nila ang isa't isa.
Sayang.
Over to Thompson and Reyes called for a foul. Bobby Luting Piñete.
Huwag kang magsalita sa COVID ng TNT, bro. Trash talk lang to, pre. Walang personalan, pre. Trash talk lang.
Tenorio and Caperal two-man game over to Chan. Chan nakaisang tres na. Attacking inside. And it is
Trash
good.
talkan lang naman to, pre.
Chan
Walang
attacking
personalan.
because of so much space. No? Pag nakatira siya talaga, ang lapit sa kanya ng defender.
Nakashoot na siya ng 3 points sa third quarter. Diba?
Trash talkan lang to.
Jeff Chan, again, they're taking turns.
Walang personalan.
Stanley Pringle, who put in a lot of effort in that third quarter.
Habang sa free throw line, si Jeff Chan at tayo ay magkaisa. So, One Ginebra Nation, ito ang ganadong mensahe ng pag-asa, pagkakaisa at pagbago ng Ginebra sa Miguel sa new normal. Watch the One Ginebra Nation video
Nice,
seen
Jeff
by
Chan.
more than 12 million viewers in Ginebra's official Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Barangay Ginebra.
Tama ka. Hinebra ang bida sa uli.
Chapman Aguilar, 5 points, 5 rebounds in 18 minutes of action.
Deceiving yan, kasi hindi porke hindi yung score, hindi mo siya tututukan.
Offensive.
Pogoy shaken up, but he is able to still attack.
Foul po
And
si
over the free throw line, and Pogoy is flirting with
Jeff Chan.
breaking the
Ay, siya, no?
40-point barrier already, no?
O yun yung pinag-uusapan natin, is he going for 45? Pero baka mas madami pa.
Parang mas madami pang kailangan. It was good for RR, back to a 3-point lead. It comes Aguilar replacing Caperal.
Japet Aguilar.
How long will Pringle be on the bench? That's the question.
Couple more minutes.
For
I see
Coach
it.
Tim Cone.
Tama, kung walang trash, walang tro. Basura.
Pogoy has already played 33 minutes. Pogoy has played also just the exact same number. So those logging a lot of minutes in this ballgame again as TNT playing with Andre Parks. The rotation is going to be a bit
Ginebra lang malakas.
Ginebra may 6 na segundo umatake. Chan. White shirts. Jeff Chan
Lakas.
inangat. Wala yan. Rebounded by RR. Jason.
Buta.
Defensive Chan is there. Ginebra now on the run.
Naku, tayo.
Thompson nawala sa kanyang bola. That's a turnover.
Yun lang,
Libre sa
libre.
kabila si Jason. The easiest 2 points of the game for
Mabigat
the
talaga
Blur.
Mabigat talaga yung mga turnover para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. And TNT able to score off those turnovers.
That's a turnover for sure lalabasin sa video scouting ng Ginebra when they break down this game.
19 turnovers for Barangay Ginebra.
Counted. Lakas.
Duty foul given up by Ryan Reyes. Sa pag-flash sa gitna ni Aljon Mariano.
Kawan na yan, oh.
First turnover
Sayang.
kay Scott.
17 points off turnovers of TNT.
now breached the Mariano and his
Joel
Tigers
Douglas,
free
maybe.
throw. Aljon with
wala
17
nang
points
talk.
and 6 boards, and Pringle back in the game for Barangay Ginebra.
So 1 minute earlier, din dun sa hula ko, ng 8-minute mark. But also because of a turnover by Scotty Thompson.
Ayaw na rin coach Tim.
Partida ba? Wala pa si ano? Si Parks? Kahit andyan na si Parks, wala bang gagawin yun.
Mariano makes both free throws, 7-8 to 7.
Hapon nga, panis eh.
Kasi din sa kay Scotty yun, 6 na yung turnover niya eh.
Hapon yun, dyan si Parks eh, natalo eh.
Just not always characteristic of Thompson. It's just been one of those games for Scotty. Talbo, Rosario, Castro, balik kay Troy. Extra pass, beautiful find. Pero Castro can't make Ginebra pay. Rosario, Eram inside, and JP will have to earn it from the free throw line.
And what a great effort that time by Boy Eram, keeping that ball alive. Possession to TNT.
And a frustrated Coach Tim Cone on the sidelines.
Bok! Noti ng Bok!
Was it the inside at that?
Maraming katropa dito.
Could have frustrated
Defensive rebound for sure.
Dami kong katrash talk.
This is Eram from the free throw line. JP 4 of 7. Check that 4 of 8 from the stripe. 10 points and 9 rebounds, 2 assists. Ito ng 11 para kay Poy. Points in the paint for Ginebra, 26, while TNT has 28 points in the paint. How can Pringle get that open?
Malas ngayon ah.
TNT Bay.
Well, that was wide open. Nobody from TNT that time able to challenge that shot.
35 na para kay RR, 12. Kay Enciso, 11 kay Eram at 10 kay Castro. Jason. Look at all the red shirts on Castro leaving Eram open. Sorry, missed there for JP.
And they'd rather give up that 3-point shot to Boy Eram than Jason Castro driving to the hoop.
Tatlo ang sumalubong kay Jason. Yan ang respeto na binibigay nila kay The Blur.
Puta.
Almost a turnover again for Ginebra.
Layo.
Stand from way downtown.
See that extra.
Ang layo po nun ah.
Simon Enciso first to that basketball.
That zone defense frustrated Ginebra on that possession.
Salamat, nakakabs.
While on the other side, TNT sues for time, 79 to 74, with 7 minutes and 18 in the game.
Okay lang yan, may katropa naman eh.
The world has changed. This is a time when we know so much, but understand so little.
Pre, kupal TNT, ha ha. Paunahin na sila ng Ginebra. Kupal ba TNT?
This is our new reality. And the only way to survive this
Nagagal niya sila eh.
is by working as one. By combining what we know and putting together even the most contrasting points of view. Because somewhere in the shadows, somewhere in the pieces of the puzzle that we hold, we know that together we can find the truth.
O kontra sa opensa bilog ang mga
Ang Titan ng mga tropang liga, silipin natin yung kanilang numero ng game number 1. Eram and Rosario, much to be improved on if you base it on game number 1 and their scoring performances.
Well, 18 points in total for these two guys and 15 rebounds. At kita mo, hindi makashoot dun sa 3-point area. But
RB MVP San, sa upuan.
Troy Rosario, 20 points in total, 14 rebounds. You know,
Most
they
bangko
do the thing,
player.
they play a bigger role in today's ball.
Tama, Lods. MVP. Most bangko player. Si Harvey Curry.
And the thing about Rosario is even if he's still struggling from the field, he's found ways to still put up points.
Shoutout po sa Inebra since birth kay Carl Malabanan.
Pringle with the board.
Back-to-back champion, Inebra lang malakas, Lods. Tama.
Even if they're not shooting well from that 3-point area, it's because of their effort.
Inebra lang talaga malakas.
Yung second chance points. Yung alam nilang kulang nila nung game number 1, yung points in the paint.
Mariano. I've liked how the
Lalakas lang ang token text. Lakasan yung signal nyo para lumakas kayo.
Aljon Mariano.
May na-signal ng token text.
Alam natin mid-range siya, shooter, pero ang ganda ng poise niya rin pag pumaposte sa kalaban.
At alam mo yung pagkuha niya ng puntos, it's within the flow of the system. Yun yung maganda doon.
Tayo ay magkaisa sa One Ginebra Nation. Ito ang ganadong mensahe ng pag-asa, pagkakaisa at pagbangon ng Ginebra San Miguel sa new normal. Watch the One Ginebra Nation video seen by more than 12 million viewers on Ginebra's official Facebook page, www.facebook.com/barangay
Aljon
Ginebra.
Mariano.
Drink responsibly. For sure, this is one of the
Oh,
best
lilima,
games of
tatlo na lang.
Mariano.
Tatlo na lang po.
Ginebra
Lakas.
considering the siege, no, in the finals, with this team trying to rally back and take a 2-0 lead. Mariano's really come to play in this one. Will Castro shifted to 5th year? Yan ang tanong dito sa fourth.
Ginebra.
Ciso for 3.
Layo, boy.
Then nothing. No ring there for Simons. Tumatakbo ang Barangay Ginebra.
Pa-shout na Lods and Steve. Shoutout mo kay Jomar Akwe.
Mariano is Herab. Stanley.
NSD. Shoutout po kay Jomar Akwe. Akwe ba? Akwe?
Alam
Aki.
niya, he's probably the most fouled player in the league. Him and CJ Perez were the ones that had that
Bilog
distinction.
ang bola.
Saw the bench scoring in the first period. TNT had 24 bench points compared to only 10 for Ginebra. Let's take a look at this drive. Ciso was there. Pringle is just a bit. Did he get to the
Lalabas pa eh.
Whatever the case.
Simon could have had a case there.
Lahat ng katropa, shoutout mga katropa.
Of Mariano.
Nebra lang
The
malakas.
bench points of TNT.
Nebra lang malakas,
First, they
katropa.
outscored TNT, of Ginebra rather, outscored TNT in the bench 30-10.
Because of Mariano.
Because of Aljon Mariano's may 18 points na itala si Mariano.
And keeping Ginebra within striking distance.
We're going against Thompson in the post. Pass inside. Patience of JP.
Sayang, oh, galing, oh.
Si Japet.
Bulata! Buhaya ka ha?
To the paint by Ginebra.
Sana kang buhaya eh man.
Not able to
Lakas.
score there. I like what Arab did. He was fighting it inside. He was
Buhaya.
his moves. He was pivoting to the open spot. Hindi siya natakot kahit na tatlo. Yung kalaban
Suga
niya,
pa sa bola si Eman eh. Oh. Tapal na, titira pa rin oh. Pilit.
Harapang na supalpal.
Sige,
Si
pilit.
Rivera, magtapal king of the game. Atid sa inyo ng Super Bowl Casil, the Tapal King.
Nagustuhan natin yung ginawa ni Boy Arab doon. But mas
Shoutout pare, ito Ping Ping, Garcia.
Great interior defense.
Malaking bagay dito. Ang BMT na sa penalty situation sila.
Pinging Garcia.
5 and 32 remaining in the game.
Pinging Garcia pala.
May haunt them later on.
Ano, ping. Basag kasi ano ko eh, cellphone. Hindi ko mabasag ano,
Second ball
Lods.
for Japet.
Pasensya na, basag ang cellphone ko eh. May mga crack.
19 for 28 from the
Kaya di ko mabasa yung mga pangalan eh.
While DMT's at 16 for 24.
Buto lang ang camera sa likod. Kaya nakakuha tayong video.
Washington.
Huli!
Oh, almost taken away by Mariano. Pugoy.
Buhaya, butata. Pilit pa si Eman nyo.
But a foul is going to be whistled. Could go on
Huwag kang
Mariano.
mayabang, Eman. Butata ka na nga eh.
Pugoy is doing, he's not just settling for the outside shot.
Pakitang
He's
gilas ka pa.
attacking. And because he's got so many points already, yung depensa nakafocus sa kanya. 35
Ayan na si
points
Troy.
siya. So when he attacks that basket, everybody from Ginebra knows.
Naka-ano siya.
Buhaya, butata.
4 fouls already for Mariano. A floater from Roger. Won't
Uy.
fall. And a chance
asa.
for Ginebra to tie or take the lead.
Wala nga naman, JR Garcia. Thanks din.
Excellent wall built by TNT. Castro on the run. And he will blow by
Galing.
Tenorio. And
Libre.
I think that's the kind of trap they wanted to spring. Hard show. Kaya wala nang espasyo si Pringle dun. Take a look.
Naagaw
at
eh.
the defense of Tropangiga leading to the
Bilis
layup
ni
by
Castro,
Castro.
eh.
Amazing play of the quarter, powered by Smart. Experience next level speed. Smart 5G, a 4-point lead for the Tropangiga.
Shoutout na lang, Lods Darren De La Cruz.
Ang numero 1 sumbungan ng
Bilog
bayan.
ang bola.
Kitang-kita ko po at nilamin niya.
Hindi ako pumapasok, sir eh.
Problema mo yan, tamad ka pala. Yun, chinelas mo ang pinansampal mo sa mukha ng nanay mo.
Nasabi mo malaki ako. Tama ko yun, mo.
Tama lang po yun, ma'am. Talaga naman totoo eh, dahil nakipaglipin ka.
Walang inuurungan sa ngalan ng katotohanan.
Sean TV International.
Dito lang talaga nagpapakita na mandurugas po inyong kumpanya. Sir, bastos ka, sir. Umiyak tong isa tapos tumatawa-tawa ka para kang demonyo.
Ba't nagreklamo ka pa? Ikaw naman ito nang iwan sa akin.
Walang maaagrabyado basta kasama mo si Idol Rafi Tulfo.
Ang kakangotong sa inyo, pagkumpis ka na inyong lisensya.
Nakuha ko.
Bilog ang bola.
Sumbong dito sa amin.
Shoutout po sa mga nanonood. Katropa o kabarangay, shoutout sa ating lahat. Huwag kayong magagalit sa akin. Ganito lang manood. Masaya Barangay Ginebra. Tayo ang bida. Imar is watching you. Lord, Air Force 1 tayo. Tama. Magkakampi tayo. Katropa, kapatid ka barangay. Parehas Pinoy yan eh. Supporta natin mga kanya-kanyang team. Air Force 1 tayo. Tama. Magkakampi yan eh. Parehas Pinoy yan eh. Kanya-kanya na tayo ng team. Magkakampi rin tayo.
There was some sort of disappointment displayed by Coach Tim Cohn.
Matalo manalo.
Before even talking about a play, he sat everybody
Sa team
down.
tayo,
He
di ba?
looked them eye to eye. He discussed
Wala mga
aggressiveness.
token
He
text
talked about
apat.
composure. And he told them that if they want to do something, they have to do it. They have to go all the way and they have to go all out. It's sort of a mental toughness challenge.
Pagdating sa gilas, magkakasama-sama rin sila eh.
Coach, he knows that they have the skills, but they have to have the heart to get back into this game. Gentlemen.
Dennis Tan.
Maraming salamat, Denise Tan. Reporting from the AUF gym powered by Smart 5G. Iba na, pag ang hapon sa'yo, men.
Wala, binabangko na si Mark Cagiwa eh.
Nararamdaman ni Coach Tim na talagang lamang itong TNT.
Ayaw na ipasok eh.
In terms of the aggressiveness. And you could see it from the beginning of the second
Binabangko na yung idol natin eh, si Cagiwa.
Itong Barangay Ginebra had that run pa with Stanley Pringle. And he's hoping that they're
Si
going to be
Thompson na
able
pumalit sa kanya,
to
6
turn it around
Scotty
here
Thompson.
in the fourth quarter.
However, turnovers like those ones will not help. That's the 21st.
Idol ko yan TNT, kaso Ginebra lang bida at malakas. Oh, galing.
Yung Roger Ray Pagoy.
Jason Castro.
Malamang token text manalo ngayon. Okay lang kahit manalo token text.
Getting RR Pugoy.
Game 2 pa lang naman tayo eh.
A 2-1-2 zone being deployed by TNT. Mariano trying to get it rejected by Eram. And Ciso tried to save, but ball will stay
Barangay
with
Ginebra.
With Ginebra rather. Pugoy looks shaking up there, falling to the floor. What a pass by Castro.
Hindi, punta tayo sa Air Force 1 or si classmates.
36 to 38. Ginebra calling for a timeout as they try to map up an offense. This could be a big
Saan yung Air Force, Air Force One?
As TNT is threatening
Or si
to
classmates.
pull away once again.
Saan yan, pre?
3 and
Air Force
51
One.
remaining.
That was the 6th assist of Jason Castro.
To go along with 12 points
Deep.
and 1 steal for the Blur. Only 6 players have actually scored for TNT this game, though. 38 para kay Pugoy, 12 for Castro, Jason Eram at 12, 11 and 9. TNT is not messing it now. This goes to show how important this game is. They're leaving it all on the floor.
So they want to make it a best of 5.
Malas si Ginebra.
It's difficult to
Talo Ginebra ngayon, mga Cubs.
and then you've got another game Friday. Hirap makabangon sa ganun.
Tsaka di mo alam.
Pero NSD tayo, NSD. Kaya pa yan. Never say die.
Ciso, Castro against Tenorio.
Tagal pa yan, 3
Ciso swing
minutes.
pass. Rosario's got 4. Troy all the way.
Yun.
And we are going the other way.
Foul, Eman.
Adam is going to be called for the foul. That's going to send
NSD, Ginebra.
once again.
And that's what we were talking about.
Never say die.
Foul trouble, yung penalty nitong Barangay Ginebra. Was that enough? Was that enough of a push?
Ilan lang lamang nila, oh. Kakonti.
Foul, that's the question.
Pipito lang lamang nila.
Referee said it was.
2 3 points lang yan, NSD.
84-77.
Oh, free throw. Tapos 2 3 points. Ayos.
Aljon Mariano,
Tabla.
the second leading scorer for Barangay
Nice.
Ginebra, swishes the
Scoreboard.
first 19 points for Mariano.
Wala pa yan,
Rico
Lods.
has 29.
Wala pa yan,
Only
Lods.
2 players in double figures for Barangay Ginebra. The
Quezon, Abin.
third
Ah.
scorer is Jared Dinit.
Pre, sa Jeddah ako, pre.
Points. Tenorio scoreless. Thompson scoreless.
Pre, dito ako sa Jeddah ngayon eh. Bakit makapunta dyan?
Missing. Oh, missing. Itong si Japan at si LA.
Nandito ako sa Saudi. Nakaalis na ako eh.
Lead is down 5 for TNT sa kanilang bola. Castro and Eram, high ball screen. Eram will challenge Aguilar. Ginanan, hindi yung mabra, rebounded by Mariano.
Buhaya si Eman eh, oh. Matalo sa itong token text yan. Delikado pa sila dyan.
Huge opportunity for Ginebra.
Buhaya eh.
This game. TNT still in a zone. Here comes
Ayan na, 3 points. Ayun! Sinasabi ko na eh.
Patience, patience.
2 points na lang, mga kapatid.
Barangay Ginebra.
Patalo si Eman.
Wide open in the corner.
Buhaya, tira ng tira. Alam, magaling.
Eternity for TNT.
Patalo si Eman po. Ang token text. Salaksak eh.
Inidepensahan ni Thompson.
Never say die po ang Ginebra.
Will attack. Pupunta kay Eram.
Uy, traveling!
Jason has to let it go.
Nice! Shot lock, shot lock.
That's what Eram and the rest of TNT are saying.
Tumama daw. Shot lock na eh.
Well, seemed like it hit the rim.
Sige pre, next time pag-uwi ko, magbakasyon ko pre.
Jason had to let it go because naubusan na ng oras.
Hindi naman tumama eh. Wala naman. Mababa, parang hindi eh.
Difficult to see.
O shot lock nga raw, sabi ng ano.
Or did it hit Aram's hands first?
Ay, tumama nga.
Hit the rim.
Tumama
So it
ng
hit
ring.
Aram's hand first before it hit the rim.
Tumama ng ring. Pero shot lock na yata eh.
It's that looks like such a tough call. Di mo kasi alam yung trajectory ng bola.
O, di ba? Lamang na tayo pre. Ay, lalamang pala yan. O, shot lock na. Nice, Nebra.
I think that's the right call by the referee.
Shot lock eh. 3 points yan guys. Mga Cubs.
Play through. And for TNT, they need a stop here. As Ginebra once again
3 points yan, Lods.
starting to hum.
Para makalamang tayo. Jeff, ay kay Scary Thompson.
They can take the lead with a basket here.
Pasensya na, maingay ako
Last 2 minutes na laro nito din sa inyo ng Cobra Plus Vitamin C.
Stanley Pringle, Jeff Chan. Wala si Jeff Chan.
Energy drink.
Sige, anggal ka, Eman. Patalo ka na nga, anggal ka pa.
Sidelines. Pringle got there first and the foul is going to be called on JP.
He wanted to help on. He wanted to go and double. He wanted to go hard, but getting caught with that foul.
Body contact eh.
That is foul number 4.
Body contact yun, pre.
JP's got to be careful. You do not want to give
Oh, technical ka tuloy.
shots, 3 points to Ginebra by a technical foul.
Oh, technical ka tuloy. Body contact yun eh. Hinarang mo yung paa mo eh.
31 from the free throw area is Barangay Ginebra. 33 points.
Sige, anggal ka, Eman.
6 rebounds.
Babangko ka na sa susunod.
Ball game for him.
It has been Pringle and Mariano that has led the
Oh,
way for
tabla
those
na.
guys, and it's tied up at 84 apiece.
Never say die po ang Ginebra.
Ginebra
Ginebra lang ang malakas.
refuses to let go of the rope. TNT trying to send this into a best of 5. Roger can't finish.
Yun lang, talk and text ball.
Red shirts, but ball will stay with the white shirts.
Ito puro anggal to si Eman.
Tough game.
Gusto matiktikan ulit eh.
Ginebra's superiority defensively will have the advantage.
Look, ako, inupapansin.
Sumama kay Japet eh oh.
Pahirap yung puntos.
Pati kay Pringles, kay Pringles.
Tsaka someone has to keep JP, JP Erap under control kasi ayaw mo magbigay ng technical foul eh.
Kay Pringle, mama.
It's a highly emotional game.
Ginebra.
Nakikita ko na kasi yung usok sa
Defense.
sa mga pangyayari.
Pasensya na po, maingay po tayo.
14 seconds for TNT to work with here.
Wala pong magagalit ha, maingay ako ha.
Castro, Pugoy.
Yun! Yung tikno. Sayang oh. Huli.
Mariano.
Easy. Relax, relax. Easy lang, easy lang. Easy.
Pass over to Scotty.
Take time, take time.
Mariano will work on Castro in the post. Aguilar.
O, tira na. Wala na oras.
LA. Hop step.
Takin naman, sayang. Lakas. Ang lakas. Okay lang yun.
A makeable shot there from LA. Pugoy. Back to Simon.
Wala.
No, but Castro with the rebound.
Traveling, 5 foul.
Wow.
Loose ball.
That's a shot he usually makes.
That is automatic.
It's been a tough game for LA.
Morning.
Not really
Moving siya loads.
in today's ball game. Look at this. This was an LA
Sayang LA oh.
highlight already.
Specialty of the house
Kinalig-
yan para kay LA.
Tumalikod pa kasi eh.
To say,
Tumalikod pa kasi oh.
he has made this countless times in his career, but it did not fall.
Hindi na sinurbol eh.
But on the other
Tumalikod
end, what
pa.
about the
Yun.
determination of Castro?
Mahina si Castro, kinabahan.
Defensive rebound, pero hindi pumasok ang unang free throw.
Kabado si Castro ah.
Free throws, all important para dito sa
Kabado
TNT.
po si Castro.
16
12 points lang.
25
Mahina.
from that
Matamlay si Castro ngayon ah. Time out.
Castro's second free throw drops. It's
Matamlay po si
1-point
Castro.
lead for the Trovang Giga. Ginebra with a chance to take the lead.
Never say die.
Down by as many as 15 points in the third. They've been threatening this entire fourth period.
Labang pala 15 points. Toko
Pringle
yung
against Eram. 6 seconds. Pringle the blow by. Thompson for 3.
Yes! Woo! Scotty Thompson! Nice shot!
And that's his first
Napasigaw ako dun ah.
in the ball game.
Woo! Shoutout po sa Qatar. Kay David. David Jr. Laban Jin.
In the dying seconds, does it again.
Napasigaw po tayo dun ah. Woo!
This gives Ginebra a 2-point lead. Lakas mo pati sa inyo ng Cobra Plus Vitamin C.
NSD.
Lakas at proteksyon. Cobra, the number 1 drink. TNT will try to go for the tire of the lead sa ating pagbabalik.
Kasi matagal pa. 30 seconds pa. Okay lang yan. Sana ikaw na lang load sa loob. TY Idol Mark
The globe. But the spirit of the Warriors will
Pag sa loob ako ng Araneta, ay di pala Araneta yan. Sa ano pala yan, sa... Saan nga ba yan, sa Pampanga? Sa Clark?
the PBA's much awaited
Boom! Haha!
That made that three-pointer possible with all new electrifying games in the bubble.
Pasensya na kayo sa akin. Admin ako ng Barangay Ginebra eh. Admin po tayo eh. Dati ngayon wala na. Nag-quit na ako sa admin. Kasi sa Jeddah na tayo eh. Sinasabi ko na eh. Sinasabi ko na.
Boses ng may alaka at may pakialaka.
Never say die lang eh. Idol, kami lang ang malakas. Ginebra. Tayo, sama mo ako, Idol. Ginebra din ako eh. Idol, kami lang ang malakas. Ginebra. sama ako dyan. Ginebra din ako eh.
December, Scotty Thompson does it again, Tom. First field goal. Clutch three-pointer pass.
What a game
TNT na yan.
has been. I mean, we saw basically in the first 3 quarters, we saw Aljon Mariano basically taking care of business for Barangay Ginebra, keeping them in this ballgame. Stanley Pringle has been superb as usual, 34 points. And 8
Tulala,
assists for Stan Demand.
Tulala po si Troy.
The 276,000 live stream viewers on Facebook ng One Sports na nanonood ngayon. You guys are witnessing a classic here in game number 2.
Shoutout po sa nanonood sa akin 303.
Gusto nilang taplahin.
Nanonood sa akin 303. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Katropa, kabarangay.
Nakay Pugoy. Pick and pop. Castro for the lead.
Wala! Patay! Nice!
Bola na pabalik.
Bahala si Castro.
Ginebra, and now they're gonna have to play the fouling game.
Well, set up for the 3-point shot.
Pasensya na mga katropa. Maalat si Castro ngayon. Maalat.
They're gonna have to foul. Your TNT.
Maalat po si Castro ngayon, katropa. Pasensya na po. Thanks sa live bro from Doha, Qatar. Wala nga naman, pre.
But was it too early?
Sa Friday ulit, third quarter. Start ako. Game 3, third quarter na nag-start ng load ang live. Kasi may trabaho tayo eh. If Laos, bakit ka nanonood dito? Doon sa page ng TN. Baka Ginebra po siya. Kaya di nanonood sa TNT. Ikaw rin, nanonood ka rito eh. Bakit Ginebra ka din?
They can get the rebound here to at worst tie the game.
Nice.
It's a big shot for Tenorio. 88-85 with 18
Shoutout Lods kay Rap Rap. Shoutout Rap Rap.
As TNT will go for the tie.
Pasensya na katropa Si Castro nyo, matamlay. Matamlay si Castro.
Has there been greater resolve to defend this fact?
Bawi na lang kayo, third quarter, game 3, bawi.
It has never lost
Salamat Lods, live next
We
time.
have to present the news in a
Ali from Dubai. Sa Friday Lods.
Yes, is that correct? Yes.
Maalat pa sa basa. Maalat pa sa sabaw na noodles dito Riyadh. Dito ko gusto eh. Tama, dito tayo, Ginebra eh. Ginebra, token text, magkasama. Walang problema rito. Katropa, kabarangay. Walang problema.
And I'm happy to be here with them.
But sheets.
Katropa din daw eh. Kung hindi nakapasok ang Ginebra eh. Dati katropa dati ako eh. Pag hindi nakapasok ang Ginebra, katropa tayo. Eh nakapasok ang Ginebra, Ginebra tayo.
Being there for Barangay Ginebra. We talked about it at the beginning.
Back to back po yan, Ginebra.
He came in great shape.
Pagbigyan lang yan. Matagal na kasi hindi nag-champion. Back to back nga po yan eh. Ginebra eh. Salamat Lord sa live from Doha, Qatar. Ginebra for life, forever. Pasalamat Lord sa mga nanonood dito sa Baraki. Basta kasi cellphone ko, mabasa. Sa Baraki mo. Baraka UAE.
10 of 40 so far itong TNT.
Wala nga naman mga lods. Katropa, kabarangay.
For the tie.
Wala, malas talaga sila.
Thompson with the board.
May nasignal na token text ngayon, mga lods.
They went for it, though.
They went for it because just in case you miss, you have a
Pasensya na, maingay tayo ha. Maingay ako ha.
So in a game that DNT has been leading basically the entire way.
Nagpatalo si Eman eh, buhaya.
Second half.
Lamang na lamang sila kanina eh, tira ng tira si Eman eh.
Ray Parks.
Saya si Eman.
But it looks like Barangay Ginebra
Wala na, talo na yan.
9 seconds away from taking a commanding 2-0 lead in
Apat.
this series.
Good look, good shot. I mean, that was it. Looks like
Oh, ending oh, 9-5.
And it had a chance.
0-5 ba pag-shoot? 0-5 ending.
But when the TNT looks at the tape,
Ikaw lang malakas pero mukhang hindi ka matamlay.
Chad Dillinger was making
Malakas ako lods kasi Nebra panalo eh.
sila, it was that
Keeping
lineup eh.
Oh, keeping them in the ball game.
It was that lineup na
Kalas, Olats, TNT. Kaliwali, TNT.
No Tenorio there.
But Pringle and Aljon Mariano.
Oh yeah, those two guys deserve a ton of credit. TNT will look for its final timeout of this.
Kaliwali, TNT.
6 seconds remaining, down by 5.
Sino po yung si Eman? Yun na yung Eman ay malaki. Eman ang token text.
Led by Stanley.
Lamang sila kanina eh. Tira ng tira. Tapal pa, butata. Eh no, si Eman number 7.
34 points, 6 rebounds, 8 assists. As expected, itong si Stanley Pringle.
Panalo na
He
lods.
is the number 1 offensive weapon para dito sa
BGK,
Barangay. He's one
BGK
guy,
for
if you
life,
need points, you go
idol.
to him. When you need points, you go to him. He'll either knock it down or
Ako rin eh, Jaworski
for
pa.
his teammates. And that
Wala
three-point
namang,
shot
wala naman
of
ng
Scotty
signal.
Thompson was coming
Wala
from an
naman ng
assist of
signal.
Stanley Pringle.
Pringle and Mariano combined for 54 of Ginebra's total 90 points.
Ending oh, 0-5 ending, 0-5.
Inbound.
Ay, 0-7 pa oh.
Rosario.
Nag 0-7 pa ending oh.
Point lead.
Foul.
4 seconds remaining. And Rosario wanted to give up the foul early, but out of
0-7 na oh, pinauli pa.
For a foul was called on Troy.
Kawawa ending ng 0-7 no.
Well, right when L.A. Tenorio got that basketball, he was trying to give up that foul. Right?
0-7 na nga ending eh, pinauli pa.
A free throw from LA will ice
Malas naman ang ending niya 0-7. Naging 2-7 pa oh.
Tough night at the
1-7, 2-7 ending nyo.
for L.A. Tenorio. Only made 3 points.
1-7, birthday ko.
Lahat in the last
So, di ako tumaya. Wala akong taya.
Lahat free throws eh, di ba? Kasi siya yung unang nakakakuha ng bola.
That's right.
Siya rin ang first target ng foul. Give up that foul for TNT.
So for TNT, potential
Mapi mukha Eman.
series, wala ka pang parts.
Mukmapi nga yan eh, mukmapi si Eman.
So they just maybe need a little bit more from the other guys on the peripheral.
Well, you look at also,
Ending oh, 1-7, 2-7 ending.
in the first few quarters, right? They were able to hold
1-7, 2-7 lang yan.
They were able to compete. You know, but just in the end, when they needed to knock down some
Ayun,
shots,
2-7
not
na,
able to get
ending.
in. Jason Castro had a chance with that 3-point shot. R.R. Bugoy had a chance with that 3-point shot.
Uy, sumot pa. 2-0 pa.
So let's see if he's gonna beat the clock.
Walang yan, naging 2-0 pa oh.
So it doesn't really matter whether that goes in or not. But you know,
Parehas, 2-0 ending, 2-0 ang ano.
You know, he competed all throughout.
2-0 ending, 2-0 din ang standing.
Now for R.R. Bugoy, Boy Era, and Rosario, you know, they really need to be able to get a double-double.
But in the end, it was the poise and the big time
Ending 2-0, standing 2-0.
Ginebra led by Mariano.
Win
led
ending.
by Stanley Pringle.
Uy, balato naman.
Mariano and his ability to really support.
Ending 2-0, Cubs.
For Ginebra with so many veterans.
Standing 2-0 din.
Siya po ang ating Firefly Trusted Player of the Game, brought to us by Firefly. A
Galing ni Mariano.
spectacular performance by Aljon Mariano coming off the bench.
How can you imagine? I mean, he beat Stanley Pringle in the best player of the ball game. Why? Because he's just been consistent. He's been solid. He's always been there for Barangay.
2-0 ending.
Gotta give props to him.
Standing 2-0 din.
Whether to choose him or Stanley Pringle, which shows Aljon Mariano because of the stellar performance, defensively, offensively, helping his team.
Mukmapi. Hahaha.
Guy Ginebra leads
Mukmapi.
2-0 by Aljon Mariano.
Token
Let's turn
text.
it over to
Hindi, wag. Joke lang. Hindi mukmapi ang token text. May inalang signal ang token text. Hindi sila mukmapi.
Welcome back to the AF Arena, powered by Smart 5G. I am now with our player of the game, Aljon Mariano, 20 points.
Salamat mga lods, Cubs, katropa.
Aljon, early on, it seemed like TNT had the momentum and the control.
Si Aljon Mariano,
Talk about the
ang
patience he
best player.
demonstrated tonight.
Yun na, we knew it na from the start they're gonna come out aggressive. So, medyo flat kami nung nag-start. So, nung sa halftime, sabi namin we need to focus on making stops. So, nag-respond naman yung mga players.
Thank you mga Cubs, katropa.
Maganda yung outcome after na nakahabol kami.
Off na ako ha.
You talked about it during halftime. Pero ikaw, 10 points ka kasi nung
Off ko na ang aking live. Thank you.